Yeah, Simon, that's a very good point. Simon says a real number is actually a complex number with an imaginary component of 0, which totally makes sense. And that's kind of, oh, and then the other thing that's really important is that basically what I get to do is separate out, this is the real component, and this is the imaginary component. So even though this is all written as one formula, I'm going to sum up all the real components and all the imaginary components together. And by the way, as Simon, who has been watching this live, pointed out to me, there are only complex numbers. The term imaginary is really too bad that it's called imaginary because it's very misleading. But a real number is just a complex number with the imaginary component as 0. Okay, so I should be able to start writing the code for this now, right? Wait, hold on. N minus 1. Okay, I really shouldn't be looking at the chat. It's making me crazy. Sometimes I just have to. I'm imagining Simon just wrote, I'm at the dentist. I'm imagining Simon in a dentist chair having his teeth cleaned with like a phone like propped up here watching me live stream, which is totally insane. 11:47, okay. 40 minutes to finish this. I think we can do it. We've done the hard part actually, sort of.